Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Sunber Hair. Shout out to you, Sunber, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Right here I'm showing you guys all the headbands that came in this box, but these little bandana ones were my favorite, honey. The unit I will be reviewing is a water wave unit. It's 180% density. I am not currently sure about the length, but check down below in the description box and hopefully I'll have it down there for you guys. This unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it. If you're interested in any more detailed specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
We never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now, tell me things, tell me all about how you feel. Just let yourself go. Say it loud, wake the world on the other side, make it real. Just let yourself go, just let go. Ooh, just let go.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Sunber Hair. Shout out to you, Sunber, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Shout out to y'all for all the headbands, honey. Okay, they sent me a bunch of headbands, but I really like this little sort of bandana type one. I don't know what you call this, but I always say bandanas. But yeah, I really like this one and the blue one, but they did send me a lot of cute headbands, so shout out to you for that. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is their Sunber Headband Scarf Wig Water Wave Glueless Human Hair Wig with pre-attached scarf, natural color, 180% density. Mouthful, right? Okay, y'all, so this wig does come in 10 to 24 inches. They do have the bob headband and the long headband. I don't see a bob. Where's the bob, girl? Bob, I don't know. I don't see the bob. So it says wig style headband scarf wig, density, I want the screenshot that for editing later. Wig density 180. The hair material is 100% human hair wig without chemical process. Hair color natural black. Texture water wave hair wig, soft comb, blah blah blah. Texture water wave. Okay. And then they have some pictures on the site of this unit and pictures of people styling it and all that good stuff. So, and then they have some reviews. Okay, so the texture of this is water wave, but the texture, I don't know, it's a different sort of water wave to me. I know that sounds crazy, but you know what the texture kind of reminds me of? I don't know if you guys remember, or well, some of you should. You know when we used to wear the micro braids and you can get the water wave, what was it called? Wet and wavy style. That is sort of what this texture reminds me of, and it kind of looks like that. Now, honest, I really like that sort of texture. I like that. Used to be my favorite texture to get when I got micro braids, y'all. It was just my swag, honey. Okay, but yeah, that's what the texture reminds me of. Now, as far as shed and tangling with this unit, I have not received any tangling. I have received some shedding. Like, it's not awful, but I do want to point it out in case, honey, I don't need you coming for me later on saying
You didn't tell me. You didn't tell me.
It ain't that bad, but I do want to mention that there is some shedding with this unit. This unit, if I'm not mistaken, does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it does also come with the little, elastic or headband deal that comes with all of these units. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. Now, okay, so when it comes to headband wigs, I honestly feel like they're like one size fits all. Like, I've never known like the headband wigs to come in a small, medium, or large. I feel like you have enough room to adjust it if it's too small and enough room to adjust it if it's too big. Like, So I just feel like they're basically one size fits all, and that's just my personal opinion, girl. Okay. That's what it is. So yeah, that is basically it for that. Now we can get into how I feel about this unit. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, because I honestly don't know the length of this unit. I don't think they told you, girl. I don't know. I'm gonna say 22, 24, maybe. I will have that down below in the description box. Hopefully they'll let me know and I can tell y'all. But that's just what I'm speculating with this unit. Okay, so now if you are interested in how I feel about it, as well as the full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so honestly, I am really feeling this unit. I love the texture. Like I told you guys, it does remind me of the Wet and Wavy that we used to rock with the micro braids. That I just like the feel of that. I like the look of it. I wouldn't say that it's, I don't know, because I have a lot of waterway wigs, but they don't have this texture. I really like this texture, y'all. Like, I think it is really nice. It's really lightweight. Now, that is a common thing with the waterway wigs that I have. All of them are super lightweight. They may, even if they look full, they're very lightweight. I don't know what it is about this particular texture, but it's always really lightweight. And this one is no different, but I just love the texture of it. I love the look of this wig. I love the headbands. Like, I just feel like they came through with the come through, honey. Okay, so yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a vibe. It's a look to me. I have no issues with it. Now, I did mention the shedding, but that's not like a deal breaker for me. It may be a deal breaker for you. Some people is like, honey, if she sheds, I don't want it. I get it, girl. But to me, shedding is not a deal breaker. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look for me, honey, okay? Thumbs up to you, Sunber hair. I appreciate it. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is where it comes to me in the back. Can you see it? And this is it on the right side. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look, it's a vibe to me. If you are interested in it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience, honey. And we are done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. If you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and Facebook, and help me see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down.